Good morning YouTube friends, I'm Jackie and this is Gone Potty Gardening. This morning I'm out harvesting a few bits. It's not a very nice day, it keeps raining, so in between the showers I've come out to pick the corn. Hey, what are you doing? Good. These are the corn. We've been taking the outside down, and some of them are small but some of them are great. So Helen's indoors boiling the pan of hot water, and we'll be cooking them off and probably putting some in the freezer. And it's quite nice, isn't it? I didn't realise they're like that on the top, and then you just cut them from there down. But anyway, I was really pleased, so definitely be doing them next year. More of them. Like I say, some of them are small, but they're our own and we grew them, so that's lovely. So these are the beans that I'm going to be picking. These are the ones Joyce sent, which didn't do great, but there's beans in there for me to start again with next year. But yeah, there's a few on there to pick. Hey, what are you two up to? Hey? These are sort of similar to a Brussels. I can't remember the name of these either. I'm terrible, aren't I? I'll put the name up above. But as you can see, they're starting to get the little like Brussels sprouty type of things, but these are meant to be sweeter than Brussels sprouts. So I'm going to pick a few of them, probably for tomorrow's dinner. But yeah, they get quite huge, but I mean, something's been eating the head of that one. But the sprouty things are still great underneath. So yeah. Yeah, so they are like little posies, aren't they? But apparently really sweet and lovely. So I look forward to trying them. There's actually a few beans on here, I've just noticed. Yeah, look. So I think I'm going to pick them and bring them in. They'll do a meal, won't they?
So we just brought the sweet corn in, and the pan is already boiling beautifully, all waiting for it. Just a little bit of pink salt in there, not much. Some people add sugar, but you don't need it because these have come straight off the plant. There's probably a technical name for that. They're quite tough there. The hens are going to love those.
Yeah, they will.
And straight in the pot. Yeah, good in the pot. Nice for the hens. One for the hens, one for the pot.
We've got a good close up. I didn't realise the end bit was also supposed to be like that because I've never grown them before.
Yeah, Jackie said to me, well, none of the corns have done this year, which was a shame because she loves corn on the cob, and you know, most people like it. And I looked at it and they were really big and fat. I said, no, they're fine. We peeled it back today. We've got some lovely corn on the cob there. Now the hens are going to really have a treat with that. Just get a little bit of the fibres off. But if we can get them from being cut to the pan within 20 minutes, the reason they taste so good is all the natural sugars in them haven't turned to starch. I mean, they taste good anyway, but it's another experience altogether. That one's a little bit hairy, but So, time's of the essence because it's completely different, as many of you may already know. If you've got the pan already boiling and from the plants to the pot is less than 20 minutes. It takes about 20 minutes for all the sugars. Oh, that's a tough one.
Do you want me to do it?
Right, just done it. Next one you can do. All the sugars turn to starch normally. Normally when you buy them in the supermarket, although they're beautiful, you know, you've got a lot more starch in them, not the natural sugars, which makes them extra sweet. But a little bit hairy. So the pan has to already be boiling before you pick them. So Jackie was pulling back the ears of corn so that they could quickly be picked off the plant straight into the pot. And that's the last one. And what we don't eat will cool down, vacuum seal and freeze. Then we can just boil in the bag anytime. And there you go, corn and cob. Whoa! It's all in, it's all in, it's all happening.
Great.
Well, the corn are all done now. Time to take them out, just drain them. I think Mrs. Gompotty is going to enjoy them. The smell of them is really nice, actually.
I actually tried one that hadn't been cooked and I could have ate it like that.
Yeah, they are lovely. When they're straight from the plant, it's amazing. But just try and get off as much water. I'm just putting it in a sieve anyway. This plastic container has got a sieve bottom, so we're okay. Whoop, nearly dropped you.
I think the key for next year though is to grow more.
Well, from a crop you've given up on,
Yeah.
oh, you've got quite a few cobs there, Jack. I'm not a big fan of it actually. I mean, it's okay, I like it, but
That's one of my favourites.
Jackie really gets the look in with these because she loves them, whereas but when they're straight off the cob like that, they are gorgeous. And I'm going to pop one there, and I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on it while these drain. And what doesn't get eaten today, as I said, will be vacuum sealed and frozen. And then you just take it out and boil it in the bag just to defrost it, and it's already cooked, so win-win.
Would it store if you just vacuum sealed it and put it in the fridge?
It would for so long.
Yeah, because I doubt if they last that long.
Oh, I see. I'm with you. So, here she is, she's the one. She loves her butter. But, trying to keep it on the top's not easy. Excuse tongs. Anyway, maybe we'll do it that way, I don't know. So,
It's lovely.
come and see, coming close and see the butter and everything.
Hang on, look, because I just got to... There you go. Doesn't that look lovely? Let's get a fork. I'll probably have to leave them for a minute because they are too hot.
Come back to it when it's cooled down.
Do you want a bite? Oh yeah, don't they look lovely though? Yeah, so I should try them when they're cooled down because they're actually too hot to hold at the moment. But how lovely is that, from the garden to your plate in about 20 minutes?
And if you'd been left to it, you'd have just pulled them all up and put them on the compost heap. Anyway, I'm going to feed the chickens. They're going to really enjoy that.
Lovely.
Talk a little bit.
Yeah.
So as you can see, they've already had a few little cobs, but they're going to love the extra bits in there. Let's just throw them in. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at her come running.
Can't make it out.
Come on girls. And there's one boy. Sadly, oh, here he comes. He thinks he's the boss, of course. Whoops, sorry.
Yeah, sadly we lost little Gloria, the little brown hen, didn't we?
Yeah, she clucked off of life.
Oh. So yeah, nothing gets wasted. And they have a little feast. There's one additional thing for the channel I've been trying out in the back garden. I've only tried it once and I took a bit of my finger off.
Oh no.
Which wasn't meant to, but it's all practice, it's all good. I'll show you. This is the little new thing I wanted to show you for the channel. We're going to be using soon. Let's press that. It's taken me ages to try and sort it out, but we should be able to get some lovely pictures with the drone. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone. Bye. Why not come and join me on Facebook or Instagram? The link is in the description.